Alright, so here we are with a more minimal design of the famous rally car, the Fiat 131 Abarth. So what I did is I basically just looked at the real car and I just tried to simplify it, make it more like a play forever or like a toddler toy. Remove a lot of the details, but keep just enough to make it recognizable. So proportionally, it actually is the same as the real car. And I went with a white paint scheme because most of the rally cars are based off white bodies. So it's 3D printed, and I used my Elegoo Mars 5. So I had the settings at 0.02, but you can still see some step lines. And then this is all painted with Vallejo water-based paints using an airbrush. Primed it, then white, and then I hand brushed the silver paint into the window recesses. So unfortunately, I kind of feel like it's actually too realistic looking still. It's still not minimal enough. I think what ruins it is the 3 windows here. I should have just left them as one panel, or really maybe just have no windows at all. I'm kind of new to designing minimal toys, right? But it's good to try new things out. So naturally I have the signature lighting here. And then the vent is going inwards, and then the wheels are just these recesses, and the 4 lug nut hole recesses. The tire, I can't remember if that's a separate piece. Actually, I think it's molded in as the same part. And then recesses for the lights back here. I left out the license plate area. But I did that, the wing, and then essentially everything's really sharp edged. I was going for like a wooden block kind of toy, like Candy Lab, where there's no real rounded edges. I guess the fender flares would be the most round part of it. And then naturally it's hollowed out to save on some resin. I have some Hot Wheels axles being reused here. Doesn't really roll much. But it's around 164. Let me go get some other ones. Okay, so here's a Matchbox one. This is really old. 1982 is what the copyright says on here. Yeah, I used to have a bunch of these when I was a little kid. I rebought these on eBay. 3D printed my own wheels for it. It's quite huge though. Kyosho did a pretty good job going for realism, right? And then I have this Tomica, an old one. I wouldn't say the Tomica is going for, it's more like Hot Wheels, right? 180th scale? No, 160th scale. It's a little bigger. I think I 3D printed these wheels though. So yeah, really the Kyosho is similar in size because that's supposed to be 164. Hot Wheels doesn't claim to be 164. I'm really let down with the Hot Wheels because they didn't have the rectangular headlight recesses. So that's a big oversight. Every other brand is able to look at images and realize there's giant rectangular turn signals in the front end of this thing. Okay. Tarmac Works has the best one, but I'm too lazy to pull it out of the case. Yeah, so what do you guys think? I think it's too much. I think it's too detailed. I also think the proper proportions actually make it look worse. I almost feel like it should be maybe deformed a little bit shorter in length to make it more childlike. That's one of the gifts that Play Forever has. They make really childlike toys, but they still look like real cars. You can watch some videos on Play Forever on my channel here. Oh well, you live and you learn. Maybe in the future I'll take a crack at this a second time and deform it some more. Maybe remove the windows entirely. Yeah, maybe even this wing, or both wings. But then it wouldn't be an Abarth rally, would it? Appreciate you guys checking this out today. We'll see you next time I design something.